Waves, guys, currently trading at $9.54, has had a huge move up. Currently at $1.03 billion market cap, ranked number 57 on 170,000 people's watch list. Now, guys, this is Waves is a multi-purpose blockchain platform which supports various use cases, including decentralized apps known as dApps and smart contracts. What you guys want to get this crypto? Pretty much it's going to be on almost every single platform because it's in the top 100, and usually crypto's top 100 on everything. But I'll have this link below, guys, so you can check it out for yourselves. Also, guys, this thing is ranked number 79 out of all the cryptocurrencies that B Stable has did a rating for. Got a B by Stable Outlook. What else? And it's doing pretty good. So I like cryptocurrencies that have ratings. It just makes it a whole lot easier to see. They're not like a scam coin and stuff like that. But let's go to their website. This is waves.tech. And we'll learn more about their cryptocurrency, guys. Please go to their website. Understand, learn about it, read more about their platform, look at the roadmap, stuff like that. Just educate yourself about a cryptocurrency before jumping right into it. But here's their guide into how they're going to get better and stuff like that. This is their roadmap. But check out Twitter for their news, guys. Has 240,000 followers. But let's get to that price prediction, guys.
Eat, sleep, trade, repeat.
So Waves on the big grand scheme, guys, we're looking at on the weekly. It has some massive movements. I mean, since all the way back in 2017, rallies up, consolidates, rallies up, consolidates, rallies. I mean, there is some massive spikes. I mean, look at this last spike. It went like $9 all the way up to 62. Let me see. What's the high at? High is $63.92, and then all the way down here, and then spiked again. So there is a lot of manipulation happening. So how would I prepare for this, guys? Would I enter right now? No. I think the move's already done. I mean, it could go a little bit higher, but I think this cryptocurrency might be trending a little bit lower, and then it's going to consolidate and then build up and then spike up again. This thing has a big moves, and it looks like every time it makes a spike, it needs to create a bunch of new entries for people to basically rebuy in. And whoever exited this position, they exited and shorted hard. I mean, they got this huge profits shorting this crypto all the way up from this top. But let me map it out and see what my thoughts are. But if you have any questions, guys, or any comments about what your plan is, just let me know. Like, I think that this is going to be temporary, and it may be heading down a little bit lower before it rallies hard again. I mean, it could rally up higher. I could be wrong, but this is my analysis. I think it might go up a little bit higher, but this may be just temporary, because with this massive sell-off, I think that people are going to enter again and exit, but I think it's going to consolidate. I'm sorry, build back down and head back down to the $2 level. Now, I can be wrong, guys. Cryptos are up, but I think a lot of them are just temporary. I think that with this crypto, it may head down to, let's see, let's go easy range of $2.10. That's my price prediction. Ultimately, where I think it's going to go, $2.10, and then it's going to build up a bunch of orders, especially people rebuying into this stuff and heading back up to another spike. I don't know when it's going to spike again. I'll do an updated video on this. This is my first time doing a price prediction on this cryptocurrency on this channel. So there's so much you guys' thoughts are. Price prediction, guys, $2.10. Let's head to my website, andrejmcclendon.com. If you want to learn more about free indicators, custom indicators that I make sure to 4 and 5, try that out, guys. Cryptocurrency tab. I'm building the economy and stats, but that's the website. That's my website, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe. Drop a comment below. Let's have this conversation about Waves, and I'll see you guys on the next video.